all-new 2023 Honda Accord, we expect it is coming on a base price of approximately $26,000 for the entry-level trim. Spy photos we can see it will wear a smoother exterior design with thinner headlamps and a full-width rear tail lamp assembly. The hybrid powertrain become a more significant part of the Accord lineup. We think the turbo 1.5-liter and 2-liter gas engines will carry over. Honda plans on dropping the more powerful 252 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter inline-four engine option from the Accord, and we think that new Accord is heavily inspired from his younger siblings Civic and the premium brand Acura sedan.